If you keep getting MS Gaming Overlay error on a Windows PC, don't worry. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, click on your Start menu and type Registry Editor. Click on the Registry Editor icon to open it. Inside the Registry Editor, expand the folder called HKey Current User. Next, expand the Software folder. Scroll down, find Microsoft, and expand that too. Keep scrolling down and open the Windows folder. Inside that, open Current Version. Then look for a folder called Game DVR. Click on it once. No need to expand it. At the top, you will see a file called App Capture Enabled. Double-click it and change the value data from 1 to 0. Click OK. If you don't see App Capture Enabled, don't worry. Right-click on the white space, select New, then choose D-Word, 32-bit value. Name it App Captured Enabled. Then double-click it, set the value data to 0 and click OK. That's it. This should stop the MS Gaming Overlay error on a PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.